What kept you going in that time when you weren't making money? There probably were those thoughts, right? I don't know if those thoughts ever came, right? But like,
Yeah.
I know that can definitely be inside voices of a new agent, somebody wanting to build especially. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I think you have two choices too. Like everybody's gonna get those thoughts. You can either feed them and be like, "You're right, totally understand. We're not gonna make this. Why don't we go find a real job?" Or you can shut it up. I was big on like, "Dude, f you, quit saying that in my head. I'm gonna figure this out." And that's when I got big into personal development. Like my whole life growing up, I didn't read books. I didn't do anything. Like I never even thought to. I graduated college. I'm like, holy crap! Like I'm in the real world. If I want to make money, I got to develop myself. I got to consume knowledge to get to where I want to go. And every day that I would go home and I didn't get a cell, I wouldn't go home. I wouldn't click on the TV. I wouldn't put on the video games. I wouldn't sit there and talk. I was living at my parents' house at the time, and I would go home. My dad's like, "Hey, you just want to hang out?" I was like, "Dude, I gotta go in my room. I gotta read this book. I gotta get better."
Yeah.
So like that's what was driving me.